Welcome back. It's now time for the business review. From luxurious furniture to bespoke decor, we'll take you behind the scenes to how one entrepreneur brings wood to life with his artisan touch. Here's Deja Thomas with this week's edition of the business review.
I've always been passionate about working with my hands. From my days at Wilma's Boys, I was living in the art department.
However, for Damian Thompson, CEO of Woodman 876, it wasn't until the COVID-19 pandemic hit, and having tried his hand at several ventures in Trinidad, he decided to return home, and this happened.
Basically, I was one of the last flights out of Fort Lauderdale when our Prime Minister declared that the airports were closed. And I just brought in, was shipping all my equipment. I literally had to move my equipment, when we got permission to move around.
Faced with this uncertainty and millions of dollars on the line, Mr. Thompson had to pivot. He did this by crafting products inspired by the realities of the pandemic.
I created and I cut laptop stands with the air vents and everything so the laptops don't overheat. Utility holders for like pens, pencils and stuff like that. So I created about 24 of those.
Now, having cut his professional teeth in the industry, selling over 3,000 pieces, he's diversified his offerings to include digital cutting, engraving, lasering, and customized furniture. I
want to call myself the Jamaican Etsy store. Anything you see online, you could carry it to me, or any ideas that you have, sketch it out, drop me on WhatsApp, IG, I'll take a look at it, and I'll tell you what the possibilities are. And, I always aim for perfection. Not
just a one-man show anymore. And with the business growing by 100%, Mr. Thompson has enlisted another pair of hands.
I am busy year-round. Woodman does not get a break. Literally. Sometimes I'll run away in hiatus for a week, but other than that, the shop is always moving. There's always something going on here. So I would say, but my really hectic busy time is Christmas. We've filled orders for 200 sets of 4 coasters and 230 cutting boards. And that's just one order.
Yet, he came upon several knots as he navigated the industry.
So challenges, because of the digital machine behind me here that does the cutting, I had to take my time to understand the machinery.
With the help of YouTube University and connections he's made in the US, the entrepreneur is still looking to grow the business both regionally and internationally, and also seeking to partner with other key players in the industry.
I believe that if creative minds come together, one of the things stopping us, we're Jamaican, so we're great already. But imagine 2 creative people in one space working together. I believe in endless possibilities.
With the business review, I'm Deidre Thomas.